Hello and welcome to our channel PMS Astrology. Today's topic, we are going to discuss Vargottama planets and we are going to know how we can decide whether the planet is in Vargottama or not in your Navamsha chart. Sorry. We are going to cover Bhav Vargottama, Sign Vargottama, and I'll also give you some information about element Vargottama. So let's begin the topic. There are simple techniques to know if the planet is Vargottama or not in your Navamsha chart just by looking at the Lagna chart of your horoscope. So let's begin. So there are three simple rules. Planet in movable signs. Any planet which is in movable signs, and movable signs are 1, 4, 7 and 10. If it is in first Navamsha, it will be Vargottama. Second point is planet is in immovable sign 2, 5, 8, 11. If the planet is any of these four signs, which is immovable signs or fixed signs, and the planet is in fifth Navamsha, it's going to be Vargottama by default in your Navamsha chart. And then the third rule is planets in dual signs 3, 6, 9 and 12. In ninth Navamsha or Vargottama. So any planet who are degree wise in first Navamsha or fifth Navamsha or ninth Navamsha in different signs will be Vargottama, depending upon these three basic simple rules. And we already have discussed in our previous video how you can check the degree of the planet and the Navamsha. We will do that again. So any planet whose degree is between 0 and 3 degree 20 minutes is going to be in first Navamsha. Any planets between 3 degree 20 minutes to 6 degree 40 minutes is second Navamsha. 6 degree 40 minutes to 10 degrees third Navamsha. 10 degree to 13 degree 20 minutes is fourth Navamsha. 13 degree 20 minutes to 16 degree 40 minutes is fifth Navamsha. 16 degree 40 minutes to 20 degrees is sixth Navamsha. 20 degrees to 23 degrees 20 minutes is seventh Navamsha, and 23 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes is eighth Navamsha. 26 degree 40 minutes to 30 degree is ninth Navamsha. So these three rules that we have discussed, planets in movable signs, first Navamsha, planet in fixed signs or immovable signs, fifth Navamsha, and planet in dual signs, ninth Navamsha, will be for sign Vargottama. This will only help you to check if the planet is sign Vargottama or not. Sign Vargottama means any planet in your Lagna chart, whichever sign it is in the same sign in your Navamsha chart also. So that means sign Vargottama. At the same time or similarly, there are other two types of Vargottamas. First is if the planet is Bhav Vargottama, whichever Bhava or place, whichever house the planet is in your Lagna chart, if it's the same house in your Navamsha chart, it is going to be Bhavargottama, or it is going to be Vargottama because it's going to be in the same house as in Lagna chart and in Navamsha chart. There is one more type of Vargottama which I've heard of, which is Lagna Vargottama. So whichever Lagna you have in your Lagna chart, whichever Rashi you have in your Lagna chart, and if it is the same Rashi or same Lagna in your Navamsha chart, it's going to be a Vargottama chart altogether. So there are more chances of having, Bhav Vargottama if the Lagna is Vargottama. So let's talk about if the planet is in sign Vargottama, because Bhav Vargottama is very easy and you can check it on your, if you put both the charts together. Just by looking at the Lagna chart, how you can decipher if the if the planet is in Vargottama or not. Let's just check. So these are the rules. We have an example chart here. So let's see. Moon in this chart is in Gemini sign, which is third sign, and it is a dual sign. And degree wise, it is 28 degrees 58 minutes. So it is in ninth Navamsha. This is between 26 degree 40 minutes to 30 degrees. It is in ninth Navamsha. So any planet in dual signs 3, 6, 9, and 12, and if it is in ninth Navamsha, will be Vargottama. So moon, if you see in the Navamsha chart, is sign Vargottama. It is in Gemini sign in Navamsha chart as well. So what result will it give when the planet is sign Vargottama? Even if the planet is malefic, just in case, its malefic results will decrease. It will not be able to give you malefic results. Yes. And if the planet is benefic for you, if it is giving you good results, its good results or auspiciousness will increase if it is Vargottama planet. So this is the result of Vargottama, and we have checked. Let's check again for Saturn here. Saturn is in Scorpio sign in the Lagna chart, and in Navamsha chart it is also in Scorpio sign, because the degree of the planet Saturn is 15 degree 27 minutes. So let's check which Navamsha it falls in. It falls between 13 degree 20 minutes to 16 degree 40 minutes. Let me say again, it falls between 13 degree 20 minutes and 16 degree 40 minutes. So it is in fifth Navamsha. Let's check for Scorpio. Any planet in 2, 5, 8, or 11 in fifth Navamsha is going to be Vargottama. So this is Vargottam. So Saturn, if in case it was giving bad results, it will not be able to give bad results. This is just an example. We are not discussing the actual results of the planet when they are Vargottama. So that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to us and share the video. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Ram.